Hi, I'm Alan, and this is Arteritis Aid, a support app for arteritis patients, built for the Perplexity Hackathon 2025 in the Best Health Project category. Arteritis Aid uses Perplexity's Sonar API to power a medical chatbot, alongside features like symptom tracking, a community forum, daily health tips, and more. Here's the chatbot. I'll ask, what are arteritis symptoms? The symptom tracker lets users log symptoms and severity, visualized with chart.js. Each day, users get a new health tip fetched via the Sonar API. The forum connects patients to share experiences. The Arteritis Aid app features a calming dark mode. The Arteritis Ally section builds trust, and the app can scale to other chronic illnesses. Arteritis Aid empowers patients with knowledge and community support. It's also fun and creative, making it a contender for the most fun, creative project bonus.